Alright folks, let's talk Apple. We all know the name. They've been dropping tech bombshells for decades. From the first Macintosh to the iPod, they've consistently rewritten the rules. Remember the iPhone's debut? Touchscreens went from futuristic to everyday tech overnight. And let's not forget the App Store. It literally changed how we use our phones. Apple's not just about making gadgets, it's about crafting experiences. They're all about sleek design, intuitive interfaces, and that it just works magic. And you know what? They're still at it, pushing the boundaries in 2024 and beyond. 2024 was a big year for tech, with innovations and breakthroughs happening across the board. But Apple, as always, stole the show with their groundbreaking announcements and products. Rumors were flying for months leading up to the September event. Tech bloggers, enthusiasts, and even casual fans were all buzzing with speculation. We knew something special was coming. The anticipation was palpable and the excitement was through the roof. The iPhone 15 series dropped and the world went nuts. It was everything we hoped for and more. But the real star? The iPhone 15 Pro Max. This device was a game changer in every sense of the word. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a statement. Apple was making it clear that they were still the leaders in innovation. We're talking next-level camera tech with features that could rival professional cameras. The clarity, the detail, the sheer quality of the photos were astounding. And let's not forget the processor. A powerhouse that could probably pilot a spaceship, it made everything run smoother and faster than ever before. Apple also made a significant commitment to sustainability. From eco-friendly packaging to using recycled materials, they were setting a new standard for the industry. Even Greta Thunberg would be impressed. Let's dive into what makes this phone the best of 2024. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge technology, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a testament to Apple's dedication to excellence. The screen is a marvel of engineering, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks that make every image pop. It's perfect for everything from watching movies to editing photos. Battery life has also seen a significant improvement. You can go all day without needing to recharge, even with heavy use. This is a game changer for those who rely on their phones for work and play. Durability has been enhanced as well. The iPhone 15 Pro Max can withstand drops and bumps better than any of its predecessors, making it a reliable companion for everyday life. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional photographer, or just someone who wants the best phone on the market, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has something for everyone. It's not just a phone, it's a revolution in your pocket. So here's to 2024, the year Apple took it up a notch and showed the world what true innovation looks like. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than just a device, it's a glimpse into the future of technology. Holding the iPhone 15 Pro Max is an experience. It feels premium, with surgical-grade stainless steel and a display that's so sharp, it's almost unreal. But it's not just about looks. This phone is built for performance. Gaming, video editing, you name it. The 15 Pro Max handles it without a hiccup. The battery life? Let's just say I haven't seen a low battery warning in days. And yes, before you ask, MagSafe charging is still here, and better than ever. Now let's talk about the camera, the iPhone 15. Pro Max has taken a giant leap forward in mobile photography. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in how we capture moments. This is where the iPhone 15 Pro Max truly shines. Apple has outdone itself with this one. The camera system is designed to cater to both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals. Apple packed in a new sensor that captures insane detail. This sensor is larger and more advanced, allowing for better light capture and more vibrant colors. Every shot you take is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Low-light photos? Forget about it. The iPhone 15 Pro Max excels in low-light conditions, producing clear and sharp images even in the darkest environments. It's like having night vision in your pocket. This thing turns night into day. The enhanced night mode ensures that your photos are bright and detailed, no matter the time of day. It's perfect for capturing those late-night adventures or evening gatherings. And the video? Don't even get me started. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a powerhouse when it comes to video recording. Whether you're shooting a quick clip or a full-length film, this phone has got you covered. They've upped the frame rate to a buttery smooth 120 frames per second even in 4K. This means your videos will be incredibly smooth and lifelike, capturing every detail with precision. You're basically shooting Hollywood quality footage on your phone. The cinematic mode adds a professional touch to your videos, making them look like they were shot with high-end equipment. Apple also introduced some cool new software tricks. The camera app is more intuitive and packed with features that make photography and videography easier and more fun. Portrait mode is even more impressive, with better edge detection and background blur. Your portraits will look like they were taken by a professional photographer. And the new action mode keeps your videos stable no matter how shaky your hand is. This feature is perfect for capturing fast-paced activities or recording on the go. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a game-changer in mobile photography and videography. It's not just a phone, it's a powerful tool for creators and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're capturing memories or creating content, this camera will exceed your expectations. Section 5, Power and Sustainability, a winning combo. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max packs the new A17 Bionic chip. This thing is a beast. It's faster, more efficient, and it handles AI tasks like a champ. But here's the kicker: Apple's serious about sustainability. The 15 Pro Max uses a significant amount of recycled materials. They're even using renewable energy in the manufacturing process. It's not just about making a great phone, it's about making a responsible one, and that's something I can definitely get behind. Section 6, AI takes the stage. Siri gets smarter. Siri's been the butt of jokes for years, but let me tell you, she's all grown up now. With the A17 chip, Siri is faster and smarter than ever. She understands your requests better, provides more helpful responses, and even anticipates your needs. Need to set a reminder, make a call, or control your smart home? Just ask Siri. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. And trust me, once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Section 7, the future is now AR and beyond. We all know Apple's been teasing us with augmented reality for a while now. Well, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it feels like AR is finally ready for prime time. The phone's sensors and processing power make AR experiences incredibly smooth and immersive. Imagine trying on clothes virtually, playing games that blend with your surroundings, or even getting directions overlaid on the real world. This is just the tip of the iceberg. With Apple's continued focus on AR, the possibilities are limitless. Section 8, Apple's influence shaping tech trends. Let's be real, Apple doesn't just follow trends, they set them. When Apple makes a move, the entire tech world takes notice. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is no different. Its innovations in camera tech, AI, and sustainability are already pushing other manufacturers to up their game. That's the thing about Apple. They don't just create products, they create a ripple effect that pushes the entire industry forward. Section 9. The Apple experience. More than just a phone. At the end of the day, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than just a phone. It's a revolutionary device that has redefined what we expect from our mobile technology. From the moment you hold it in your hand, you can feel the precision, engineering, and the attention to detail that Apple is known for. The sleek design, the smooth edges, and the vibrant display all come together to create a device that is not only functional but also a joy to use. It's a tool, a companion, and a gateway to a world of possibilities. Whether you're capturing breathtaking photos with its advanced camera system or staying productive with its powerful processor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is designed to keep up with your busy life. It's not just about making calls or sending texts, it's about having a device that can do it all, a gateway to a world of possibilities. Imagine having access to a vast array of apps that can help you with everything from managing your finances to learning a new language. The App Store offers a plethora of options that cater to every interest and need, making the iPhone 15 Pro Max an indispensable part of your daily routine. It's about capturing memories with stunning clarity, thanks to its state-of-the-art camera system. Whether you're taking a quick snapshot or shooting a professional quality video, the iPhone 15 Pro Max ensures that every moment is captured in the highest quality possible. The advanced image processing capabilities mean that your photos and videos will look amazing, no matter the lighting conditions, connecting with loved ones effortlessly through features like FaceTime and iMessage. These tools make it easier than ever to stay in touch with friends and family, no matter where they are in the world. The high-quality video calls and instant messaging capabilities mean that you can share moments and experiences in real time, making the distance feel a little bit smaller. And experiencing the future of technology in the palm of your hand, With features like augmented reality, the iPhone 15 Pro Max opens up new ways to interact with the world around you. Imagine being able to visualize how a piece of furniture will look in your home before you buy it, or playing immersive games that blend the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. That's the Apple experience. It's about seamlessly blending technology with our lives in a way that feels intuitive, effortless, and downright magical. The iPhone 15 Pro Max integrates perfectly with other Apple devices, creating a cohesive ecosystem that works together to make your life easier. From syncing your music and photos across all your devices to using your Apple Watch to unlock your phone, the integration is seamless and intuitive. And that's why, my friends, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the best phone of 2024. It's not just about the specs or the features, it's about the experience. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is designed to be more than just a phone. It's designed to be an essential part of your life. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who just wants a reliable and powerful device, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the perfect choice for you.